So, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, depending on where you are in the world. My name, for those of you who don't know, is Michael McQuiggan, and I am the owner of Nomadic Surveys, and I'm also the guy who does the majority of the programming. So, I just wanted to put together a little bit of a video update to talk about where we are in terms of improving the platform. I understand there's bugs, so I kind of want to go through the history a little bit for new members and just kind of discuss the measures I'm taking to A, help you make more money and make the user experience more, more pleasurable. So I kind of got hit by a truck last year in July 2023, which really slowed down our progress as a company and had a live app that was really bad. So didn't really work. I couldn't repair it because of how bad the code quality was. So since I kind of returned in July, I was looking at how do I solve this problem for our members. So I made the decision to just get rid of everything. So our code base is very young, and the issue with the young code base is there's bugs because we're trying to reach a point of certain functionalities like email alerts, the survey inventory system. So as I'm adding features, that introduces more bugs. So my my goal currently is to eh, release enough that we have kind of the skeleton all set for users, and then as users report issues to immediately go in and fix them, which is why I'm like, text me, please text me if you have an issue. For example, I was taking a survey earlier. It was like $5. It was like $2, and I completed the survey, and it ejected me, and I got really annoyed over that. So, what I'm currently troubleshooting is, is that my system or is that client system? Actually, probably am. So I'm pretty annoyed because I kind of want my cash. So I do take the surveys myself to troubleshoot. So I do definitely consider us a kind of like between alpha and beta testing. The issue was we had a live production app with members, and I wanted to get something workable. The mobile app didn't work, couldn't even connect to surveys, points weren't adding automatically. So the new system's a substantial improvement based on the metrics that I see. Now, I understand that doesn't mean it's a good experience for all of our users, which is why I am focused on fixing that. It's just like I do read reviews where it's like, oh, this guy like the Lord of Scams. No, not really. I just kind of need you to tell me the issue, and I'll go in and I'll fix it for you. Our customer support gal Pooja now has the ability to add what I like to call apology points, because I do feel that from a customer service perspective, buggy software is not something users should need to put up with. So, the quality assurance is very high on my list of things to ensure. It's just there's a couple of things where a lot of the stuff when I'm fixing bugs, there's a lot of behind the scenes back end server work that's not user facing. So, certain things like if one person reports a login issue, there is some prioritization that does go on. We've added tools where now we can reset your password for you. So there's a lot more user support tools that I've developed over the past like 2 weeks. Also, my cat is stinging my friend right now, but yeah, that's just where we're currently at as we're heading into the end of November. In terms of the system complexity, the system's pretty stupid right now and it needs a brain. That way it figures out, oh, I'm broken, send Michael an email. That way Michael can fix it. And that monitoring and diagnostic layer is taking up a lot of the back end time just because when users have an issue, I don't really think it should be incumbent on you to tell me my system's broken. Um, the system should just do that itself. So, and just kind of a quick little update here. Nothing too overly formal. Just wanted to provide a video update for the care of me being the bug master. But thanks so much. We really do appreciate you guys. As always, feel free to send me an email. My email is michael@nomadicinsights.com, or michael@nomadicsurveys.com if you want to get a hold of me. You read them all eventually. And thanks so much. Have a good one.